Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English with Jack and Sara. I'm Jack.
And I'm Sara. Hello, lovely people. Today, we're going on a trip. Not a real one, unfortunately, but to the airport.
That's right. We'll talk about useful English words and phrases you can use when traveling, especially at the airport.
So, if you're planning a trip or just love traveling, this episode is perfect for you. We'll help you sound confident and natural from check-in to boarding.
Before we take off, make sure you subscribe, like, and share this episode so more learners can join our journey.
Buckle up, everyone. Let's get started.
All right, let's start with checking in. That's the first thing you do when you arrive at the airport.
Exactly. You go to the check-in counter and give your passport and ticket to the airline staff. Here are some key words you'll hear. Check-in counter, where you show your passport and get your boarding pass. Boarding pass, the paper or digital card that lets you get on the plane. Luggage or baggage, the bags or suitcases you travel with. Carry-on bag, the small bag you take inside the plane.
All right, let's practice the scene so you can hear what it sounds like in real life.
Good morning. I'd like to check in for my flight to London, please.
Of course. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Here you go.
Thank you. Do you have any bags to check in?
Yes, just one suitcase.
All right. Your flight boards at gate 14 and boarding starts at 10:30 a.m. Here's your boarding pass.
Thank you very much.
Have a pleasant flight.
Those are classic travel phrases. Let's break them down quickly. May I see your passport, please? Polite way to ask for documents. Do you have any bags to check in? Used by airline staff. And have a pleasant flight means enjoy your flight.
You can also say, I'd like to check in for my flight to, very common at the counter.
Now, once you check in, it's time for security and passport control. Everyone's favorite part.
Oh yes, the moment when you have to take off your belt, shoes, watch, and hope you didn't forget that water bottle in your bag.
Exactly. So here are some phrases you might hear at security. Please put your belongings on the conveyor belt. Take your laptop out of the bag. Empty your pockets, please. Step through the metal detector. You're all set. Have a nice day.
And when you reach passport control, the officer might say things like, where are you traveling to? What's the purpose of your visit? Maybe holiday, business, or study. How long are you staying? And finally, enjoy your trip.
Let's listen to a short example of how that might sound. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Where are you traveling to today?
To Paris.
What's the purpose of your visit?
I'm going on holiday with my family.
How long will you be staying?
For 1 week.
Enjoy your trip.
Thank you. So, learners, remember these 3 key questions. Where are you traveling to? What's the purpose of your visit? And how long are you staying? They come up almost every time.
And make sure you answer politely with short, clear sentences.
After passport control, you finally reach the departure gate. This is where you wait to board the plane.
And this is when people usually get a coffee, buy snacks, or browse duty-free shops. Here are a few useful words. Departure gate, where you wait before getting on the plane. Duty-free, shops inside the airport where you don't pay tax. Announcement, messages you hear on the speakers. Delay, when your flight is late.
Let's practice that too.
Excuse me, has the flight to Dubai started boarding?
Not yet, sir. Boarding will start in 15 minutes.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Please have your boarding pass and passport ready when boarding begins.
Sure thing. One of the most common announcements you'll hear is, Flight 205 to Dubai is now boarding at Gate 14.
Yes, and sometimes you'll hear, "We're sorry to inform you that Flight 205 to Dubai has been delayed." That's not the one you want to hear. Now we're finally on the plane. Let's learn some phrases that flight attendants use.
Good idea. Here are a few common ones. Please fasten your seatbelt. Would you like something to drink? We'll be taking off shortly. Please remain seated until the seatbelt sign is off.
And as a passenger, you can say, "Could I have some water, please? Excuse me, where is the toilet? Can I change my seat? Thank you for your help."
Let's listen to a short conversation on the plane. Excuse me, could I have a blanket, please?
Of course, sir. Here you go.
Thank you. And could I also get some water?
Certainly. Anything else?
No, that's perfect. Thanks so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your flight.
Politeness is super important when you're talking to cabin crew. Always say please and thank you.
And remember, when you're on the plane, take off means when the plane leaves the ground, and land means when it arrives at the airport. We've landed! Welcome to your destination. Now, let's talk about what happens after you get off the plane.
You go through immigration, collect your luggage at the baggage claim, and maybe go through customs.
At customs, officers might ask if you're bringing anything special into the country, like food or large amounts of money.
Here are a few phrases you might hear. Please place your bag on the belt. Do you have anything to declare? Where are you coming from? You're free to go.
Let's hear that in action.
Good evening. Do you have anything to declare?
No, nothing to declare.
All right. Welcome to London.
Thank you.
So, we've checked in, gone through security, boarded, and landed, all in English.
We covered lots of travel vocabulary today. Check-in counter, boarding pass, gate, luggage, customs, and more.
And you've also learned real phrases to sound more confident when you travel.
Before you go, tell us, what's your dream travel destination? Let us know in the comments below.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this episode to help others learn too.
Thanks for listening, everyone. Have a safe flight wherever you're going.
And we'll see you next time on Everyday English with Jack and Sara. Bye for now.